In this Canva tutorial, I'm going to show you how to select all on Canva mobile. Now, this can be a tedious process. There's a little easier way, and there's a hack for a quick and simple way here at the end. First, a lot of tutorials show you to select an object and then go or click the three dots and go down to the bottom and click select multiple. And then you can click on all the objects you want to select. Yeah, you could do that, but that's not the good way. The good way is to select an object and then scroll over in this menu at the bottom until you see layers. So we need to go to the layers panel. In the upper left, we see select. When we click on select, we're able to select every single layer as multiple here in our project. And so yes, you could have a lot of layers and it's not perfect, but you can select all the layers and all the elements in your project by doing that. And now you can hit done. And so you have them all selected out here. You can exit out of this. And from here, you can do whatever you want, basically. You can group them together. You can click these three dots and have some other options like copy paste. You can lock all the objects. So if you need to select everything, that's one way to do it. Now, another hack is if you have a Bluetooth keyboard connected to your phone, you can actually press the shortcut key for select all, which would be Command A or Control A, if you have like an Android phone, probably. Command A on Mac will actually select everything in your project. And so you can quickly select all with that keyboard connected to your phone. Now, probably not all of you have that, so your best option is to go to the layers panel and click through all the layers, because then you can select all even if you have objects that are overlapping and are hard to click on. You don't actually have to click through everything in your document. You can click through each layer to select them. So that's how you can select all on Canva mobile.